Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm chopping this, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, undercover better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Band bass like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. What's going on, Otter gang? Damn, we starting early. I gotta actually leave like 10 to 10 today. I got a car appointment. Isn't that lame? It's not even like an appointment. My car's got an appointment. Yeah. Pain in the arse is what that is. However, we're here. We're ready. Bitcoin looking good. Solana looking good. Ethereum bouncing. I think we got to go lower. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully we're all having a great morning. I don't need this headphone. We ain't listening to anything. We do have a beautiful morning ahead of us. We have some GDP, some GDEPI coming right at us hot and ready out of the gates. Mr. GDEPI and my friends, I kind of missed this one until Army Piper pointed it out, but we also have initial jobless claims. So we're in for it. What's going on, everybody? Good morning. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Head and shoulders on Bitcoin right now, trying to break down. Got some support down below that we're looking at. Very aggressive move up last night. Yeah. Calling the bottom. We called the bottom. It was a head and shoulders of all things, right? Head and shoulders, knees and toes. I wonder if that gets you demonetized. I mean, I have a 1-year-old. That is part of my job, is to sing head and shoulders, knees and toes. Okay? It's just part of your role. It's Know Your Role Boulevard. If you do remember Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, he would say, Know Your Role Boulevard down at the Smackdown Hotel, man. Too good, man. So, Bitcoin pushing up overnight, which is good. Okay? Know Your Role Boulevard. They asked people, like, what's the hardest thing about working with The Rock? I think it was a Chris Benoit, that crazy guy. They asked him, what's the hardest part of his job? And he said, when The Rock asks you, what's your name? And you know he's going to say, it doesn't matter what your name is. Right? You know it's going to. But he said it's the most annoyingest thing ever, because you know it's coming. What are your gang signs, Alex? Can you show us some? Yeah, absolutely. We have a bunch of gang signs. Okay. Yeah, man. So the gang signs? We have the hot dog. We have the stiletto. We have the splooshy emoji, which is called the forbidden water, by the way. If you see the forbidden water, don't mess around, okay? We have the otter in the schlong, okay? Sometimes we rotate it just to see which direction price is going to go so we can smack the world. Then we also have the orb, because we trade the orb. Then we have that very secret one, and it's called the balloon dog, okay? The balloon dog, that's the dog on the moon right there. We have the balloon dog as well. We have Mr. Doji in golfing. He's our friend too. We really like Doji in golfing. That looks almost inappropriate. And then of course, we have VWAP. VWAP's just part of it, man. I guess that would be our gang signs, man. So chuck some otters in the chat if you like our gang signs. Maybe we gotta spread the love. Let's see some gang signs in the chat. I'll post the gangs in the chat. What's going on, everybody? The gang sign is the pink box, guys. I mean, the gang sign. I mean, we gave the East call last night. We gave the Ada call last night. All up in profits. Oopsie. Okay. We even gave Link. Link pumped and dumped, though. Very weird price action for Link. So Link pumped, hit our TP1 area, and then dumped. So I don't know what's going on with Link here. Link may be forecasting what's yet to come for Bitcoin. But hell yeah, we gave that good setup. Beautiful setup last night. Just printing, guys. The Discord is always printing. Whether you like it or not, we'll still be here printing, okay? I degenerately took a Solana long during the NVIDIA. I have to confess, I guess. I degenerately took a Solana long twice during NVIDIA earnings last night. I have to confess it. It was juicy, though, okay? It was just so volatile. I caught the bottom, okay? Let's just call it that. So that was the GG's last night. If you know how to trade news, you can take advantage of it. You got to be very tight with the stop loss, though. You got to be very, very quick. And you got to mark it out, which is crazy. You do have to mark it out. So that would have probably been like a $3,000 trade. But I'm like, mark it in, mark it out. Like, you got to be quick AF, okay? Looks like a little head and shoulders here might roll over. No trade. We're gonna be waiting for this news, guys. This looks like it's got to be recovered. This candle here needs to be recovered. So that would be my guess. DJ in here took the Sol long and the Crow long. Let's go. Let's go, Wagwan. Let's go. What's going on, Albert's Raja Guk, my man? What's going on, man? Muckin, good morning. Rayon Martial Arts Academy. Good morning, my people. Good morning, man. How you doing? What kind of martial arts do you do? We have a couple of martial artists in our Discord. Brewberry is actually a black belt, so he will whoop your ass. Then B Team Crypto is actually a jiu-jitsu guy. He will turn you into a pretzel. Sniper's Nightmare, he just snipes you. He ain't got time to wrestle you. What's going on, Daniel, Paul? Good morning, Pat. Good morning, JB, Crypto, Tony, and Master. Good morning, crew. Market is fired. Yeah, let's go, baby. Let's go. Good evening and morning. What's going on, Quick Smoker? How's my Aussie gang doing out there, man? We're represented around the world. That's pretty crazy, right? Good morning, Darren Does Things. How's it going, family? Alexandra G, always coming through. God bless. Hopefully you're doing well. I didn't realize it, but the Discord. So this sale coming up in September here, September 1st, is going to be our 1-year anniversary of having like a paid premium Discord. Damn. Time flies, eh? 1-year anniversary. The channel's been around for 3 years. Think about it. Free Discord for that long? Holy smokes. Giver's game, baby. Pretty wild. But I didn't even realize that, you know? The channel's getting old. I'm getting old. You guys are still here. Still here. Picking my brain. I appreciate you guys. Pretty cool. What's going on, Seymour Liddy? He's been around forever. Shreyan, good morning to you. Saman. Let's go. Crypto Otter. Gang. Bang? Andrew Cameron, what's going on? Cart, what's going on? Nihil. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here. Space Lucy, good morning. Good to see you. Saman. Yeehaw. Darius up. Jag, good morning. Blair Force 1, thank you for being here as well. You're always here. Geechu, what's up, Otter Gang? Alex, can you show us some what? Gang signs? Yeah, we got the gang signs, man. We're ready. Spike Gentry, Noel, good morning. Good to see you. Indy, looks like we're rolling over here. Just a head and shoulders here. So another head and shoulders, knees and toes. So we'll see how it behaves. Could sweep the liquidity and bounce. Okay, this is still like pretty bullish. So this area is of interest. Obviously, if we hold here and we push, we break structure, we can push up. A lot of people probably drawing this thing. I don't know what this is, but, you know, people are into that kind of TA. I like the retest of these highs. Golden pockets right in the lower part of this box here. I'll be looking at the highs initially. Well, VWAP. Okay, 4 stops. It's kind of annoying, isn't it? So we got liquidity in the lows. We got VWAP. We got retest of previous highs. And the start of an order block. And then we have golden pocket down here. So we have 4 stops along the way. This is why we must understand that price action is king, right? Price action will tell us direction, right? It can happen here. It can happen here. It can happen here. It could happen all the way down there. Who gives a crap? Whatever it is, we know how to participate safely, right? If we're looking at any sort of price action, what tells us here, right? So if we get rid of this and we look at this, this was our key bounce level last night on Bitcoin that was given in advance in the Discord, obviously, alongside with 3 other trades, okay? And if you aren't new here and you haven't joined the Discord, I mean, come on. What are you doing? What are you doing, man? So you got a bottoming structure in here. You got 3 drives. Okay, you still don't have a higher high, but here's your first break of structure right here, right? So you're looking for 1, 2, 3 on the way down. Okay, this is a number what? What number is this, guys? This is a number what? Number 1. This is a number 1. You'll learn this in the Discord. Okay, this is a number 1. What is the rules for entering a number 1? Is that you wait for the break of the high for an aggressive move. Break of the high, aggressive move, stop loss below the low. Looking for a 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. I think you got it. Okay. That's the rules. Very simple rules. You learn this in the Discord. Okay? Very simple. Okay? Target the highs. Off you go. Easy money. Easy money. You don't even have to have drawdown here. Like you're just waiting for this thing to do its thing. What is this also, guys? It's a gang sign. Okay? There's your gang sign. Woof, woof, mofo. All right? Double bottom, bull pennant, breakout. Easy peasy, right? Easy, you know. And this did happen at, you know, at midnight. So, you know, don't always catch those ones. But I mean, not only that, you know, we gave you the warnings, right? The warnings are incredibly prominent. I have so many alerts. There's your head and shoulders warning right there. Retest of the bottom of the orb. Okay, that's your warning, right? Then you received the ETH alert, the link alert, and the ADA alert, and a Pengu alert, which didn't fully play, It didn't go into you could have taken profits on it as well. So very good. Very good. Love it. And if you can't make $50 on that, you probably shouldn't be trading. Probably. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. Wagwan. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at all these people. Blue collar trades in here. Mucking, good morning to you. Andrew Cameron, Darius, Paul Hindenburg, the hottest air around. Getchy. What's going on, man? Birdie, Async. Good morning to you, man. Thank you for being here all the time. Chris Reitz, thank you for being here as well. We early today. Yeah, we're early today. We got to leave I would say 10 to 10 today. My car has an appointment. I don't have an appointment. My car does. So I got to drop it off. It's getting some provincial inspection. It's getting, yeah. I mean, I got a brand new, not brand new. I got a 4Runner 2022 with the V6 still in it. Only got 20,000 kilometers on it. So love my 4Runner. It's a great truck. Good morning, Tufik, Daniel. Thank you for being here. Getchy, Isaac, Mass Rider. Good morning. Good to see you. He bought a poop load of crow. Great job, man. Mr. Zhang, good morning to you. Curtis Neal. DJ33P, thank you for being here. Wiley Coyote, good morning. Good to see you as well. Curtis Hill, my man. What's going on, Curtis Hill? Gain sign is the pink box. Looks like we are rolling over here, coming down. We'll see where we bounce from. Got a lot of pivots from previous days, so look at the pivots all the way down. Boop, 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 right? I don't know. This looks like very overextended in my opinion. So this could be recovered today. Be prepared for that. We got news in 15 minutes, everybody. Okay? 15 minutes. Gang signs are going through the chat. Thank you for gang signing, guys. Philly Skills, Wagwan, my guy. How can I join your Telegram group? We do not have a Telegram group. It's a Discord, but you can join it by joining the Discord. I think the link is in the description of the video, or I think Alexander G has that thing on fire. Frost Dog Billionaire, Swesto, good morning from Berlin. Krakenwagen, my favorite German word, and schnell. Hurry, quick, go quickly. Schnell. I learned that from Castle Wolfenstein, if you didn't know. I love that video game back in the day. Milan, what's going on? How you doing? Swesto. Ancient Swan, good morning, Otters. Good morning. Good to see you. Mr. Kennedy, Vegas Claw. Buenas mornings, brother. You're so mad. You missed the Solana trade. Yeah, it's okay, man. There's lots to go around. 1 year in crypto feels like 5. Yeah, man. Welcome to the gang. That's why we hang out here, because trading can be lonely, but it's also stressful, right? So we like to hang out, say good morning. Looks like we got a little rollover occurring right now, but if you're staring at the charts every single day like we are, I mean, yeah, it's staying level is hard. Indie crypto, let's go. AlexOCrypto. That's what Flopping Groper and CryptoFace call me. AlexOCrypto. Love it, man. Good times, man. We are sponsored by Market Cypher. We do love them. They've always been good to me. 23 minutes until we moon or dump. Good to see you, Hulk Smash. Thank you for being here. Crypto Sniper's Nightmare. When moon, I need another tool chest. Well, now that we've broken structure on a higher term time frame, Snipe, I think we now we're in for the pullback, but we're in for the higher for the actual, because we've broken this high. Okay, the 4-hour high is actually up here, guys, which kind of sucks. 114. Yeah, the 4-hour high is up in here. I believe. Let me double check so I'm not lying to you guys. It's up here. Actually, no, this is 4-hour high. Yeah, this is the 4-hour high. So we need to get above 115 to change structure on a 4-hour. We didn't really get a good lower high in this downtrend in here on the 4-hour. You can see all the way through here. It's actually there's no 2 green candles in a row for a high to be formed here. So our high that we need to get above to change structure on a 4-hour is up here, but we have broken structure on like I believe on a 1-hour, 2-hour up here. So this says that we can come back in here and bounce still. I really don't like these lows, especially this one, but we'll see. No moonage yet. No moonage yet. 14 minutes. Bitcoin looking to roll over here. What's going on? Dave Digital in the chat. My man, how you doing, bro? What up, Crypto J? Mab the Great. Good to see you, man. How you doing, bro? F-Bomb, Michael. Good morning, Crypto Rob. Good evening. You're at an amusement park. That's cool, bro. In Da Nang. Is that like the spot or what? Good morning. Do you think we'll revisit the 114, 115, then go down to 107? I think we will get a 10 to 20% correction between now and mid-October. I do believe that. Okay? We're probably in it right now. Okay? If we zoom out, and everybody hates to hear this stuff, but I on the macro analysis side of things, why isn't my shift button working? Oh, now all my trading view isn't working. This one's working. This one isn't working. Okay, that one can sod off. We'll create another one here. Sometimes this app misbehaves. There we go. Okay. So if we're looking at this, right, 20% correction brings us all the way down to where? The lows here. Okay, very simple. Very simple. We could be in it now. This is a good high, right? Bearish divergence. Typically returns to where it started, which would be here. Right? We were talking about that in our Discord. We prepared you for this dump for like weeks on end, right? We prepared you for this multiple times. I said this is probably going to happen. I'm not sure if we're going to get this leg yet, okay? Because we're coming into Rectember, okay? So maybe we get a different September. History says no, right? History says no. So could we get relief back up into, I think you said 114. I would think 117. That's where I think the most volume is traded. And then have that final whoop and then go. Very possible. Very possible, right? We prepare for stuff like that. But I'm not in that camp just yet. I want to see how we react at 114 if we get there. Because some things are just giving us a little bit of bullish signs. Nvidia, not bad earnings yesterday. Doing okay pre-market. Solana, absolute melt your face to the top here. Okay, we've been yelling at you guys for forever with Solana. Ever since down here. Okay? We said Solana going to lead, okay? And Solana has led. Okay, Ethereum, all-time highs, right? Once we get into expansion, meaning price discovery, once we get out into here in the whole new world, you know, Aladdin, Magic Carpet Ride area, it's a different ball game. We're not there yet, though. So we'll see. We got a lot of data coming out in the next 2 weeks. From here till next Friday, it's going to be an absolute gong show at price action. I'll tell you that. So you guys better buckle up. Get your risk management safety shoes on. I don't know if you wear safety shoes while you're trading, but you might want to this week. Okay, because literally Jerome Powell has told us that jobs are more important, right? He said it, not me, okay? Jobs are more important. Well, what's coming out? We got initial jobless claims today with GDP. Then we have core PCE and personal income and personal spending. The big doozy, okay? The doozy is going to be Wednesday on JOLTS and Friday on non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate. These are going to absolutely dictate what? Are we going to panic cut or are we going to stimulate cut? Right now it's 87%, right? 0% chance for 0.5. Does that change, right? Does that change? I don't know, right? On top of all that, we got Orange Man ready to tweet at any second, okay? We got Orange Man ready to drop bombs at any time. So today we're prepared for this. We'll take it one day at a time, one trade at a time, one setup at a time, and we'll hopefully prosper from this. As long as we're practicing good risk management, using strategy, we should be all right, okay? Crow is going crazy. Yeah, it is. Absolutely. Miss Teen Crypto in the chat. What's going on, Randy? How you doing? Wally, good morning. Good to see you. Ancient Swine, Froth Dog, Billionaire. Good morning, Steve Hickey. Thank you for being here. Solio, Renadola, DJ, 3PO. What's going on, man? Mazda. Clayton, Curtis Hill, thank you guys for being here. Quick Smoker, Tool, Isaac K. How do you trade news on crypto? Very carefully. You got to be very, very sneaky. Okay. Afternoon from London, coming in from someone who is very much still in Vegas. Let's go. Take a break, man. Svesto, what's going on? Ilya, good morning to you. Froth Dog, Milan, Saman, thank you for being here. Dylan, Ancient Swine. God bless Vegas Claw. John, get the friction on. Robales, what's going on? Robert, 23 minutes until we moon. I don't know, guys. I'm not a moon boy. I mean, I hold a big old portfolio, but I'm not looking for like this 100x stuff. I just want a nice 3 to 4x on my money. I'm happy with that. Maybe I'm a simple man. Simpleton. I don't know what I am. I'm just here leading the otters into Valhalla. That's it, man. That's it. What's up, Crypto J? Map the Great. Good to see you, Crypto Rob, Michael, Vegas Claw, Sniper's Nightmare, Darius, Amos, French Toaster. Good morning, guys. Good to see you as well. Dan, Ando, Pancho, my man. Good morning, UK friends. My wife bought these UK books, man. They're talking about eating tea, back gardens. I'm like, my son doesn't know what a back garden is. It's a backyard, and it's called dinner. It's not tea. What's for tea? How can you guys just make up? You guys invented the language, okay? Cool, but you call dinner tea. V6, that's not a truck. Gig along on Fartcoin. Let's go. Paper planes. What's going on, bro? Sorry you got stopped out of that ETH trade. You were working, though, man. Aries, Philly Play Coin, Vegas Claw, Wob Jeb. Good morning, Miss Teen Crypto. Mrs. Randy Hipper, thank you for being here. Just hit 23,000 subscribers, I think. Great job. Great job. Currently up 600 on Sol. Do I TP? You can do what you want, but I think Solana's got a lot more legs left in it. All right, 5 minutes here. Superman, what's going on? Good to see you. Been a while, man. How you been? Mr. Kennedy. Yushan, morning pumpkin. All right. All right. I just got called Pumpkin. Haas, good morning to you. Thank you for being here. We got 380 people here and only 96 likes, guys. Come on. What is this rookie number stuff? Just say good morning and hit that button, please. Thank you. Oh, man. HRJ, what's going on? Did we just hit TPs on your on your one. What trade was that? Did we just hit TPs on? JTO, right? Yeah, boy. We be hitting HRJ. We be hitting TPs already. I don't know, guys. You guys are missing out again. I'm going to give you guys FOMO all day because our Discord's just printing. Let's go, HRJ. My man. God bless you. One of our traders in our Discord. Let's go, baby. HRJ with the trades. Kicking butt, taking names. That's the one. That's the one. F-bomb, good morning, Brokoshi. Solana PSG1 gaming console. Let's go, baby. We're going to play some Grand Theft Auto on the Solana box. Brave Dave, what's going on, man? Good to see you. Thank you guys for being here. Andrew Cameron, Miss Team Crypto. Billy's in the chat, my brother. What's going on, bro? How you doing, man? How you guys all doing? Good morning, Nights Rains. Good morning, F-bomb. Here we go. Coming into some news data, whatever you want to call me, Papa O. Appreciate you all for being here, hanging out. Appreciate you all being here, hanging out. How you doing, Randy? How are things? Randy getting all... Crypto Billy, you see Randy getting all professional? You see Mrs. Randy getting all professional? She looked like... What did you say? Were you making a jeans commercial here? She's got a great pair of jeans, guys. Great jeans. Look at her. Look at this. Not only does she go on Fox News, okay? She's on Fox News dropping bombs on people. But she's got great jeans, guys, okay? So go and subscribe to Randy Hipper. She's looking all grown up now. You're looking all grown up now. Aren't you so proud, Billy? Look at this. This is awesome, right? Good job, Randy. We're so proud of you. This is amazing, and you know it's an honor to be your friend. And you're in your Congress. So proud, man. That's awesome, man. I love seeing. It's almost like these last 3.5 years, I've seen you kind of grow into like a nice young woman, nice young lady. You know, it's beautiful to see. God bless you. Keep up the hard work. You work hard, harder than most. Okay, and we love seeing the progress, man. It's really cool, really cool. I remember way back you went to like a school and you did like a Bitcoin. You went to a school and you're educating the kids about Bitcoin. That's pretty crazy. I remember like when you really started those kind of like adventures. That's awesome, man. That's so cool. That's so cool. Down boy, down boy. I'm a wife and children, man, Andrew Cameron. Great job, Randy. I'm glad I'm upset you never got to meet my wife and baby Otter, but obviously it was a lot trying to bring them out for our dinner that we had with Crypto Billy and all of our friends and Dave Digital and the Billy Go Tales crew, but there'll be more times. There'll be more times where we'll all get to hang out. But you will meet the fam, of course. All right, here we go. Here we go. Get ready. GDAPI coming in. Boom, boom, boom. I want you in my room. GDP coming in at 3.3%, which is bullish. Looking strong here for Bitcoin price action. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Initial jobless claims coming in just under consensus, looking still strong. A nice push up in here. Okay, so initial jobless claims looking a little bit weak. GDP looking strong. So we got a mixed bag this morning. Little push up. Remember, we're overextended to the upside, so I wouldn't be surprised if it does send it down on us. Nice push. Okay. Okay. Nothing too serious here, guys. GDP growth rate coming in at 3.3%. Good job. Initial jobless claims coming just under. Rolling over. All right, so little decrease here. Not the same uptrend, but a little decrease here. So Bitcoin rolling over right now. And then we got our GDP, our GDP growth rate, which is still good here. Coming up and onwards after a negative 0.5 reading, we got a 3.3, which is a good reading here. So coming down to our liquidity grab here, trying to push. Whew. Valhalla. Looking for a retest of the lows. Can we continue? Look for a retest of these highs here. Maybe we can continue to push. This is looking strong. NASDAQ looking strong as well. Coming back for the late shorts in here possibly. Retest of low, retest of highs. Continuation trade possibly here. Continue to push. NASDAQ. Nothing burger. I like burgers. Bitcoin looking to continue here. Possible continuation trade up to the highs. No trade yet. Still waiting. Market cipher double bottom looking good. Bullish divergence in here. Lower low, higher low. Yeah. Like to see a push here. Nice push. Take a stab here probably. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Look for follow through here. See if we can come up to the highs. Come on, Bitcoin. Push it. Don't be a namby-pamby. Entry's a little bit weak here. Let's see it take this high here. Push Bitcoin. NASDAQ looks strong. Bitcoin trying to push. See if we can get follow through here. Not really looking like we're getting follow through here. I'm going to bring this stop up pretty tight here. I'm only going to risk like $100 or something. I don't want to play around with fire here too much this morning. See if we get the follow through. Stop loss are like really tight. We're up in here. Just participating. Participating safely, guys. Push Bitcoin. Don't be a namby. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. No follow through here. Come on. Get going, man. NASDAQ needs to push. Bitcoin's not pushing. No push here. Obviously, we think we can come down a lot more, so probably going to get stopped out here. Stopped out. There it is. Yeah. Not worth the squeeze, really. Not worth the squeeze. Coming back in. If that was the sweep and go now, I'll be upset. If that was the sweep and go, I'll be upset. Sweep and go, that's probably where I should have longed. Oh my God. I had mad slippage on that one. $300 slippage. My God. I had a stop loss at $150 and I got a $300 stop out on that slippage. $350 loss, guys. I hate when that happens. It's kind of annoying. It came back down pretty hard here. But hey ho, we show our losses. That's fine. That's some nasty slippage, though. I do not like that. When I put my stop there, I expect a pretty good stop out. That's pretty annoying, in my opinion. That's okay. They make you earn it, don't they? Nasty. $150 stop loss turns into $350 stop loss. Pretty bull. I'm going to say it's bullshit. It's bullshit. Yeah, that's extra Vaseline. Extra Vaseline. NASDAQ still looks strong here. Bullish engulfing, trying to push. East a little indecision. Let's go and check Sol. Sol looks strong still. Sol looks like it wants to push too. That's some nasty slippage though. Part of the game, but I don't like it. I try not to complain. Let's keep going. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next. No follow through here. Coming back down low volume. See if it wants to continue to push here. I think the news is pretty bullish. Where's Army Piper when you needed him? Army Piper, where are you at, man? Where are you at, Army Piper? Give me your Piper. What do you call it? Piper report or something like that. He's got his chat GPT named Pam. Piper Academy. I don't know what it stands for, but he has Pam. Don't mess with Pam. He gets all this information from Pam. Okay, kind of stuck in the middle here. No follow through here on this move. Oh, here we go. Okay. Here we go. Push Bitcoin. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Up to the highs. Anybody long right now? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. Put a 2 in the chat if you're short. I'm naturally short. One 1s, 2 2s. Bunch of longs in here. Long and strong. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Don't be so namby-pamby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. There's that high that I wanted it to take, of course. You guys can forgive me if I revenge traded, right? Are you guys going to forgive me? You better forgive me. After that slippage. I revenge traded, not going to lie. I still like the bullish continuation here. I'm definitely in a revenge trade now. I got my $150 back, guys. Okay. I'm definitely revenge trading right now. I got a confession to make. Oh, man. Whatever. I had to get my $150 back. You see, the Bitunix did me dirty this morning. I had to have a word with them. So I called them and I said, you pump that price right now. You. Oh, man. I think. Thank you, Bad Baptist. I had to get rid of the slippage, man. They gave me the Vaseline, I gave them the sand, okay? It's a fair exchange. Billy. It happens, right, Billy? I had to get my 150 back, man. I'm like, come on, guys. You guys can't slip me the slippage and then not expect me to revenge trade it and call you and tell it to pump the price, okay? Both of these data points lean towards no rate cut needed. Come on, Piper, man. That's not what I want to hear. The percentage, it only went down by 2%, bro. It was at 87 this morning. It's at 85. We're still cutting. We're still cutting, Piper. Piper, I'm ending the I got an appointment. My car's got an appointment today. At 10 to I got to leave at 10 to 10. So if you want to start your show 10 minutes early, I can send them over. Let me know in the chat if you're going to start 10 minutes early. I'll send the chat over to you. So we keep 10K on the exchange, Tofik, but we have over $100,000 trading account, okay? So we're risking less than 1% per trade. I use a VPN gear. I use a VPN for everything. Thank you for forgiving me, Bad Baptist. Long in general, man. John Foster Crypto, good to see you. Duck 1, Duck 2, Duck 3, Buck 4. Am I looking for a short after sweeping the highs? Yeah, I think we are overextended, obviously. So, do we continue to push? I would like to see this taken. SFP the high, and then maybe we dump. On a market structure shift, we can look for that. So, close most of this. It's a revenge trade, guys. We confessed, okay? We confessed. We admitted to our faults. We got slippaged this morning, and guess what? We slipped them the, hey, man, push the price up, you mofo. Okay? I can do that 10 minutes early. Okay, we'll send them to you then, bro. Steve, hockey. Does anybody here watch hockey? Who is your hockey team? I need to know. I'm a Leafs fan, unfortunately. Okay? Unfortunately, I'm a Leafs fan. Sam, good morning. I could tell you were focused on fixing that mishap. Well, sometimes, Billy, you gotta take the risk, man. That's what we're here. I was right about the long. It just, I was too early. I was too early for the scalp long. Halfway down the candle, continuation trade here. That'll be your entry. Continuation up. We'll see if we do push the highs here. SFP of this high, so this could be done. Looking to come to 113.5. We'll see if we get there. Currently long right now. News is a mixed bag. Little scalp trade this morning. We'll see if we can continue to push. Otherwise, lots of room to the downside. Solana looks good. Ethereum looks good. Trade setups given in advance yesterday night to all the Discord members. Absolute fire. ADA as well. How's ADA looking? That trade setup? That's doing really well too. That's up 3%. Beauty. Beauty, beauty. Come on, Bitcoin, push you, Nambe Pambe. You owe me slippage fees, man. You got to get up there. Push it to the limits. Oh, man. Oh, man, oh, man. We got Oilers. Man, it must suck being an Oilers fan knowing that McDavid's coming to the Leafs next year. McJesus is going to be a Leaf next year. You heard it here first. I'm sorry. I went there. Rangers. Guys, what happened to the Rangers, man? You guys got amazing goaltending, and you guys just... Poor Shesterkin? I can't even say his name. It's like Predators. Okay, the Blues. Flyers, okay. Flyers have fallen off, man. They used to be so good. You're young, though. You could bounce back soon. Couple years, I think the Flyers in Jersey are going to be dangerous. New Jersey is going to be dangerous, too. Canes, man. Canes, no one wants to play there, man. You guys lost Rantanen, man. Then he buried you guys in the playoffs. Nobody wants to stay in Carolina, man. Habs fan, you guys are growing. You guys are looking okay, but we hate you. Like, sorry, but it's a rivalry, man. Hockey sweater days. Flyers, Red Wings. Red Wings have... We'll take DeBrincat off you guys. Sorry about your Wings, man. They suck lately. Canucks fan. Are you kidding me? Guys can't stay healthy if your life depended on him. Pedersen's a little namby-pamby. Come on, Bitcoin. Push, man. Stars? Man, you guys are good, but you guys choke. You guys choke, man. Rantanen carried you guys, and then you just... I think it's your goalie. The burger, right? YouTube is doing an experiment, Sam, with the @names right now. They want people to be able to tag each other, so they're experimenting. Of course, they're experimenting on my channel. I don't like the... You can change your @name, though. I wish. McJesus is going to join the... He grew up a Leafs fan, man. He's going to come to the Leafs. Austin Matthews and Connor McDavid on the power play. Centering line 1 and line 2. Can you imagine? The whole league would be ruined. You guys wouldn't have a chance. Imagine Connor McDavid on your first line center. Okay. With William Nylander. Okay. William Nylander, Connor McDavid. And then Austin Matthews as your second line center. Just burying goals. Just burying people. It'd be so... The Islanders? Yeah, you guys have... suck, man. We took Johnny Tavares from you guys too, man. Edmontonians will burn down the city. Guys, you haven't given McJesus a goalie. You guys have not given McJesus a goalie. He's the best player in the world, and you haven't given him a goalie. And he's brought you to the cup twice. He's not going to stay. You signed that guy, that defenseman, for what, $11 million a year? The bomber guy? He sucks. Guy can't play defense. The Ducks just got rid of Calabrini, man. Didn't he go to the Flyers? Nice push here for Bitcoin. Come on, Bitcoin. Give me my money back. Give me my money back. We are long here if you are just joining here. Captain Kirk, what's going on? Good to see you, mama. Thank you for being here. Steve Hickey. Paul Caruso. Well, this is a hockey team of choice. So we have Calgary Flames and the Edmonton Oilers. Both I can't stand because I'm a Leafs fan. I'm an unfortunate Leafs fan, okay? What's the Leafs' problem then? Mitch Marner was the problem. Mitch Marner was the biggest problem. We were closer than the Oilers to beating the Panthers, by the way. The Leafs gave the Panthers a harder time than the Oilers, okay? We had a better series against the Panthers than you did, okay? And you have McJesus. So calm down, pussycat. Oh, man. Says the Leafs fan. Go and watch our series. We played much better against the Panthers. You guys got wrecked by the Panthers. Our Game 7 was pathetic, though. I will say that. Come on, Bitcoin. Keep pushing, baby. You got this. All right, back to trading, guys. I'm obviously a passionate hockey fan. I love a good game of puck. You know, it's the only other sport where you can fight besides MMA. Like, come on. JR and Alan, you'll be happy to know my wife, because she's British. This is actually quite funny. My wife, because she's British, I was watching the hockey game, and Zach Hyman, yes, the Zach Hyman, was playing for the Leafs. I just hit TP2, everybody. I'm going to take some off here, guarantee some more profits. Was playing, and the announcer said, Zach Hyman goes up the boards or whatever, right? And my wife goes, Hyman, that's my favorite player. Okay? So Zach Hyman is because she's British and she doesn't know anything about hockey, her favorite hockey player is Zach Hyman. Gotta love it, man. I hit TP2 here, guys. Looking a little bit weak, in my opinion. So hit TP2, stop loss at entry still. News event, looking to climb the wall worry right now. No big deal. 280 realized. Obviously took the loss with the stop out in the slippage, which is kind of BS. So far, so good. So far, so good. So far, so good. Slippage, 280, slippage. A couple of soul scalps yesterday. Crow scalp yesterday for $100. Soul long for $750. Oh, yeah. It's been doing good. Took a couple trades last night. Just keep on rolling. Oh, there. Look, we got a Capitals fan in the chat here. Tradefly. I mean, at least he got to. Tradefly has had the privilege of watching the best goal scorer in the last forever. Ovi in his office, baby. Gotta love Ovechkin, man. Scoring goals on his back. But damn, you guys suck now. Let's go. Let's go. Pushing here. Pushing here. Tradefly, you need to help me with You need to help me with this fantasy football, man. You guys are making roster moves and stuff. I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea. NVIDIA's almost NVIDIA or no, it's NVIDIA. I Googled it. It's NVIDIA. It's break even now. Look at that. It dumped yesterday. Now it's break even. It doesn't care, man. It's just going to make chips. Look at this pump, baby. Let's go. Otter gang, gang, gang. Coming up to our resistance here. SFP of the high. See if we can continue to push here on the Bitcoin trade. Taking the long live with you guys. Hanging out this morning. Thank you for being here. Supporting the channel. Subscribe if you're new. God bless every single one of you guys for being here. We got 500 people here taking this long. You guys are long and strong with me, right? You guys are all long and strong with me here. See if we can continue to push here. We gave the trade setup on ADA yesterday and on ETH yesterday. Absolute bangers to the absolute moonage, okay? We love it. We called the bottoms. We kicked ass. We take names in the Discord. Join it. Sale coming out next week. Next week's sale, it's our 1 year anniversary. Billy, it's been a year in business, baby. Billy, 1 year in business. In reflection, we just keep trying to provide as much friggin' value as possible and try to work harder than anyone else. That's it. And then we have like 5 other traders in the Discord who absolutely kill it too. Tradefly being one of them. HRJ being one of them. Let's go, baby. Ada doing beautiful. It's been a great year. Yeah, Billy. It's been a great year. It's truly a privilege to serve. That's it, man. Continue to serve. Just DM me, bro. I am in your DMs. You're supposed to add me to your other fantasy football league, and I was waiting for a reply. I'm upset with you now. I'm kidding. Let's go play golf. Harp is a Red Wings fan. Or no, Harp, you're a Phillies fan, aren't you? Yeah, you are a Phillies fan. You guys were chirping me. You guys were chirping me. You put me in a Phillies fan jersey. Look, this is what I got to deal with, okay? You guys put me in a Phillies jersey. Flyers jersey. Not a Phillies, a Flyers jersey. Can you believe these guys are sending me AI-made pictures of me in a Flyers jersey? Me and Tradefly here. Look at this. They put me in a Flyers jersey. This is what I got to deal with. Look at what did they do to my face, man? At least Tradefly still looks handsome. Look at me. I look like miserable. You put me in a Flyers jersey. How can you do that to me? How can you do that to me? You guys are evil. See this? This is you guys are brutal, man. You guys are so brutal. Otter Pops. Yeah, Otter Pops in Vegas. Isn't that crazy, guys? They had me and Tradefly went golfing in Vegas. And they had Otter Pops, guys. Look at that. We're eating some Otter Pops. Otter Pops. That's what they're called. Who would have thought? Okay, SFP of the high here into our resistance. Looking for a continuation here. On to Pancho. When gym, Alex? No gym. I got the weights. I got the weights at home, man. So I think that's going to be my winter endeavor. Winter endeavor. Not yet. Why you all got pregnancy tests in your hands? Oh, man. Jimbo, what's going on, bro? How you been? Good to see you in the chat, man. God bless you. You got any cool collectible cards lately, man? How's your son doing? Hopefully you're all doing well, man. God bless. Did the Leafs lose? You know that's a touchy subject, Alan, but no. No, we beat Ottawa in the first round. Okay? We did got Cal Reigns 1 of 1. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning, Prem. It's looking a little bit weak here, guys. Stop loss up in here now. In profits, guys. Just looking for take what we can get. We did have news here. It is behaving quite bullishly, but it could be a trap. Looking at Bitcoin here, coming into the hour, what we can understand a couple of things. Okay, so overall, Bitcoin looking healthy, not out of the woods yet. All right, so what I do like is that we do have this. Okay, so every time that we have popped off on the way up here, so we look at this, right? Every time we pop off, right, we get this bull div, 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 we get this bull div. Okay, every time. And the last 3 times has been spectacular, okay? Bing, bing, bing. Okay? Sometimes it's 3. So be prepared for that. Okay, sometimes it's 3. The daily looks promising. The 12-hour looks promising. The 4-hour starts to get a little bit iffy because we're overextended. The 3, the 2, the 1, overextended as well. Now, last night we were prepared for the pump. Why? Because we had the inverse head and shoulders on Bitcoin. Look at that. Easy peasy. Okay. Very, very obvious. So we had a breakout retest continuation trade. We even talked about that last night with the lesson we did with the hackers. So easy peasy. Gave the setup, took the Ethereum setup, ADA setup, Link setup, Pengu setup, all the setups. Okay. So Bitcoin's trying to go. Now, the thing is that we're very overextended now. Again, so trying to push here into resistance is going to be difficult. Why? Because we have resistance in here. If we're looking at this, we've had a perfect retest of our highs in here. Beautiful retest. Okay. Not a full retrace. Golden pocket. But sufficient. Okay. Just front running that golden pocket. So we do have downtrending momentum that we are breaking right now. This is very cool. Okay, downtrending momentum that we are breaking. Bullish, bullish. However, we do have a lot of resistance in front of us at 114, trying to get acceptance back into the range. Okay, so if this, then that. Can we break into the range? Cool. If we do, where do we look to go? This high, point of control. 117. 117 is the doozy, man. That's where this big chunk starts to play out, okay? So we're prepared. If this, then that, right? Looking at our short-term time frames and how we want to trade this, well, obviously we had the call down here last night, but look at how aggressively this pushed up, right? So this leaves fair value gaps below us, but also like key areas that we are looking to retrace. If we want consistent price action, we are going to look for a retest to previous highs, and we have a couple of levels down below in here as well that we're prepared for. Okay, so we're looking for a retest continuation here or a possible breakout continuation coming into that 114 area, and then we'll see what happens. The interesting thing that has happened is that we've changed structure on a 2-hour time frame. Okay, so it's really because we hadn't taken this high here, right? We were below it. Really wanted to see this high being taken. So our next level that we need to take is our 4-hour structure, which is this high here. Right, so we have a 2-hour market structure change, which leads me to believe that we can now look for the possible retracement and continuation. On a higher term time frame, it looks like that. Okay, we'll see if we get it. We are very well aware, though. Friday, news. Wednesday next week, news. Friday next week, news. All with Donald Trump being president. So we have a very volatile market going into what? The 17th, right? Rate cuts. Okay, so from here to rate cuts, it's going to be an absolute gong show, in my opinion. Take profits early. Pay yourselves. Be safe. Trade safe. Let's make money. Let's kick ass. Let's take names. This is never financial advice. I'm just happy you're here with me. That's the idea. If you want more details, join the Discord. Sale is next week. If this, then that. Looking for a push here. Stop loss is in profit. We don't really care if we do push. I was just revenge trading, if I'm being honest. I was revenge trading because I had slippage this morning. It came down and knocked me out. I had a $150 stop loss. It slipped and it knocked me out for $350, which is kind of annoying. Nonetheless, we took the long anyways and have since recovered our slippage, okay? I think I was kind of annoyed with that, but you know what? I'm not trying to get into tilt today, okay? I'm trying to have after having that tilting day on Tuesday and then playing the best round of golf of my life. By the way, you want to see the card? I brought the card, guys. Okay? I brought the card. Here's the golf card. Okay? Here's the golf card. Okay? I shared it on X. I can show you the golf card. AlexOCrypto. Okay? Here's the golf card. I played the blues, by the way. My 76. Okay? Front 9 on fire. +2. Back 9 +3. Now, I gotta talk. Billy, when we were talking on Billy Goat Tales, Billy was these 3 holes. Okay? Bogey, bogey, bogey. So I was on Billy Goat Tales, and I shot 3 bogeys in a row. Okay? Par is 71, by the way. 71 par. So really, I shot a 77. Okay? I played the blues, which are long. Par 3s are 200 yards, okay? 190. This 190 here is the coolest hole in the world. I'm pretty sure I posted a picture of it. So Billy, I think I could have shot a lot better if I was focused, but I was focused on you because you're the man and I love you. It's a good round though. My best round ever. Let's go, baby. Yards. Rashad, it's your birthday, man. No way. Thank you for being here, Yushan. I appreciate the kind words, bro. Oh, best round ever? Yeah, because Billy Goat tells me make your golf game good just listening. Let's go. Let's go. Jimbo, if you've seen this shot, man, next time I play this course, if you've seen this shot, I got 173 yards, big drive. I have like this big ridge. So I'm sitting there. My ball's like, so here's the fairway and here's the rough, right? My ball's like right here. The flag, you can't see it. So there's a big ridge here. So it's a blind shot with like a couple trees here, right? And I have this like one gap in here. So the flag is down this ridge over here on the left, right? You got the flag way down here. It's like a 30-foot drop down this ridge, 172-yard shot. I hit an 8-iron, big high draw, and honestly lands within 2 inches of the cup. It's the best shot of my life. Like the best shot of my life. Birdied. Like so good, man. Big, huge 280-yard drive in the rough here. Big, huge draw, blind shot. I picked a tree and I aimed for a tree. I ran up the hill and then the ball just landed on the green. My God. Like the wet dreams of golf shots, in my opinion. Okay? Incredible. Yeah, I like it rough too, Jimmy. I had to go there, bro. I had to go there. All right, so it's Rashad's birthday, right? Rashad's birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Rashad. Happy birthday to Rashad. God bless, bro. we do sponsor Rashad in our Discord, and we are hopefully helping him on his way of his journey of becoming a profitable trader. Happy birthday, man. Gonna get stopped out here. Let's go, baby. Time for physio. If then this that has been in my head since started consistently watching. My charting has become much more practical and straightforward. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you for being here, baby genius. If this then that, right? If this then that. If it comes here, then I do this. If it comes there, then I do that. Yeah. Taking the highs here, just a little bit of a front run. So might have continuation here to the upside here. Little retracement, continuation, market structure shift, right? So you should be looking golden pocket 786 here for a potential continuation to the upside, right? Have broken structure here, right? So we've taken this high. Now we're looking for a higher low, continuation trade. Very choppy, news-driven pump. So I'm not really interested in it just yet. Let's see what happens coming into market open. We are leaving 10 minutes early. I do have my car has an appointment today. I got to run the car over to the doctor. Car's doing great. It's just got to get it like safetied and stuff for the new province I live in, which is kind of annoying, but whatever. Get it done. On to the next one. So we are looking for possible retracement today, in my opinion. Very overextended after that move last night. Got a couple of buy levels down below. We'll see if we do continue. I guess this thing just doesn't want to stop me out. They know that they gave me the slippage this morning. Here. You can stop me out. I don't mind. I just wanted my slippage back, and we've made more than that. So see if it does want to continue here. But currently just waiting here. 2 trades this morning. One that should have stopped me out for $150. Stopped me out for $350. Kind of annoyed. But then I revenge traded, in all honesty. Still with the same plan, just a little bit lower of an entry down in here. So I got stopped out. Then I re-entered back into this test in here. And obviously took profit along the way. So it happens. We're back at it, right? I think the best part about this channel is, I'm human, man. I'm just one of you guys. I'm here trading. I've managed to manage my risk properly long enough, for duration long enough with strategy to become profitable over time. And hopefully I can teach you guys that. That's it, right? I'm a trader amongst traders. I'm not better or worse than you. I'm just here just like you guys trying to make a buck, right? I'm just grateful to hang out, press buy and sell, and kick ass, take names. That's it. Okay. Almania. Been watching for a week now. It's incredible how much you give away for free. Took long on XRP. If happened and did that. Awesome, man. Awesome. Just got stopped out of that trade. I love seeing you guys win. I mean, we all want to fish, right? I don't want to hold your fishing rod. I don't want to hold your fishing rod, okay? I want you to go out and fish. All right? I want you to go out and fish. I'm not here to touch your fishing rod. What's the analogy, guys? It's like you teach a man, you give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, you teach him how to fish, you feed him for life or something like that. I think it should be just, I don't want to touch your fishing rod. How's the Ferrari doing, AlexOCrypto? My wife says I'm allowed to buy my Ferrari when I've made 10 mil. That's the goal. I'm allowed to buy my Ferrari when I've made 10 mil. Chinese proverb. I don't want to touch your fishing rod. That's it. That's my AlexOCrypto. Quote it. I'm Italian, Dave. Get over it. I like the F8 or the 430, but I'd prefer an Enzo. What Ferrari? I like the F8. The F8's pretty sick. If you say Porsche in my channel again, French Toaster, I'll ban you. I'm kidding. Guys, come on. Come on. Tributo. Hey, come stai, beaches? Sorry. I had to do it, man. I had to do it. I had to do it, man. I had to do it. Can you rap in Italian? I don't know. Bello. Limoncello. Every girl saying hello. That's all I got. All right? Arrivederci. Fettuccine. Okay? Storia memoria memul, alter decolla abasmachul. There you go. Luigi Parigi, Pastoria de Chaure Pangeva, Congeva. It's my no-nos. It's my grandfather's dialect. It's different than it's different than regular Italian. I'm sure all the Italians are like, my God, this guy's a mangiacheca. I need the F12. It better not be a... F8 is definitely not a hybrid. I was looking at them the other day, actually. I mean... The Enzo is obviously the golden. The Enzo is obviously the one you want. You want the Enzo. Like, you want the Enzo, but yet you're never going to be able to afford the Enzo, right? The Enzo is just classic, man. You can't beat the Enzo. That body. Woo! Woo! Okay, 10 minutes till market opens, everybody. Got the news data here. Rate cuts dropped by 2%, nothing big. Looking for continuation, possibly up to the highs here, SFP. We'll see if we get it. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live, hanging out here. Subscribe if you're new. Welcome. We're here live trading every single day, pressing buy and sell, hopefully successfully. We've been doing not bad this week. Had a little bit of a tilt day on Tuesday, but... obviously turning that day around and making a lot more money. So it's been a good week in that sense. It's been a good learning week. And as long as you're managing your risk, you're taking high probability trade setups, your losses are tuition, right? Your losses are always tuition. And I'm still always learning. Still always learning. Looking to push here. Looking strong. NASDAQ looks really strong after the news this morning. Obviously, getting that push up here and continuation. Bitcoin looking strong. Looking like it wants to rip, man. This is pretty cool. Hopefully you guys are still in the long. I'm since exited the long, but that's fine. It was wasn't really a trade setup. It was more of a revenge trade, so I'm okay with being out now. Made back my stop loss and then some, so on to the next one, trying to take high probability trade setups. Now the concern here is the Bart Simpson, right? So we got bearish divergence, right? We have a lower low here, okay? Can we get an SFP, break a structure and down? Quite possibly, okay? So that's what I'm preparing you guys for because of how aggressive this has been. So I would typically look for the recovery back to retest previous highs, okay? So enticing buyers coming into market open, possible rejection, okay? So typically we are looking for shorts, but this thing looks very aggressively bullish right now. Here's our SFP, okay? No trade here. Still waiting. Probably will be waiting. I do got to leave 10 minutes early today. I got an appointment. But thank you, everybody, for being on the live, smacking up those like buttons, subscribing if you're new. I do appreciate you guys being here. 490 people here. So thank you, guys. We'll see if we do want to push. 14.5 is our level that we need to close above, really. So we'll see if we do get there. Looking strong. East setup given last night in the Discord. Flying, still looking good. Solana, flying, okay. ADA trade setup given in advance last night as well. That's flying. Look at that. That's looking strong. Still going. Up 3% here. We gave a link trade and a Pengu trade as well. Bitcoin flying up here. SFP of the high. Pengu's trying to bounce back. Link trade bouncing back quite nicely. Okay, so doing well here. Coming in for this SFP here, there's no trade for me right now. It's just looking very aggressive here. We'll track momentum on its way up. Very aggressive coming into market open. NVIDIA recovering pretty nicely after yesterday's earnings. A bunch of mixed reviews on NVIDIA. Either way, it's still the biggest company in the world. It's still going to perform. Ever since that big dump that we had here on the S&P, it's doubled. Okay? So NVIDIA really doesn't care what you think about it. It's king. That's why NVIDIA stands for envy. NVIDIA is envy. Envy how much money they're making. Alert on ENA. Oh, coming back to that setup. Yuck. That's disgusting. You can never ask me to trade ENA again. I didn't take that trade, but Bitcoin flying, man. Bitcoin is flying. Let's go, baby. We back. We back. See if we do sweep here. Way above VWAP. Enticing buyers, guys. This is no trade for me. Still waiting. Market cipher looking strong. 24-minute. Hourly still looking strong. Trying to push here. Green dot printing. 2 hour bouncing off zero line. Money flow coming up. So some good signs around the horn for market cipher. Coming back for the SFP right now. All right. Hitting our support level. No rejection here. No trade. For us to short this, we should be waiting for a break of structure, right? We should wait for these lows to be lost, retest and go. That's the short. For now, we wait. We're not trying to be wick whispers in this gang here. Okay? I don't want to hold your fishing pole. Let's put it that way. We don't want to be wick whisperers. We just want to be patient here. Sol really wants to hit all-time high. I told you, Sol. I told you, Sol. Yeah. All right. Nice SFP. Look at that. How many people longed there? Lesson learned? Or are you going to continue to pay the price, right? V-shaped rejection. Garbage DNA. Yeah, absolutely. Soul looking beauty. Still in the BTC long. Nice. You ever get that big spoon? I've been spoon feeding, but I do want to make, because I'm a carpenter too, right? So I do want to get a big old piece of wood and make a big wooden spoon. Okay. Pole holder. Yeah. Speaking about polls, the bottom is not in or it is in. You guys don't know. Okay. Jimmy's Kids launching a new channel. Yeah, yeah, of course. Here we go. I'm subscribed. Are you subscribed? Go and hang out here. We'll do a giveaway. Billy, come on and remind me tomorrow, and we'll do a giveaway for his channel. Space City Breaks, okay? Go and check it out, guys. But we'll do a giveaway for the channel tomorrow. Because I got to go quickly after market opens here. We got 4 minutes till then, and then we'll do a giveaway tomorrow for a membership of the Discord. Okay? Look at that. SFP trying to break the low here. Have we checked Crow? No. Beautiful SFP here. What golf clubs do I have? I have T100 Titleists. I'm pretty much all Titleist. SM9 and SM10 wedges. 60, 56, 52. Pitching through 4-iron, I have T100s. Then I have a TSR 1 driver with a Hulk shaft. Bombs, bro. Hit absolute bombs with that thing. I have a TSR 3 wood. I hit that thing like 270. That 3 wood. It's bomb. Then I have a I got a Scotty Cameron Newport 2 putter. And what else do I got in my bag? I got a utility 3-iron that hit about 230. It's my in between. It's my utility. It's a Titleist utility 3-iron. What's it called? It's a U505. A U505. It's got an extra bit of loft on it to get it up. I'm considering switching to a mallet putter though. I mean, my putting was good yesterday, but typically it's not. I'm a 3-putt king. My 1H, I can hit that 240, 250 off the deck. That's sick, man. That's sick. I'm looking at buying the bomber iron right now. Because I hit a mean stinger. Have you guys seen the stealth bomber iron or the... I'm looking at this thing here. But it's not, I want to get this thing here. It's not up for grabs just yet. It's sold out. You see this thing? Look at this thing. This is a 1-iron. I want this thing, man. You see the head cover for this thing? It's so cool. It's got like the jacket and everything. Yeah, I've only been golfing for 2 years. I appreciate it, Chris. I don't know how long I can sustain the way I hit the ball though. Coming down to our golden pocket here, bounce area. Market is open, everybody. Thank you for being here. Ding, 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 ding. NVIDIA's back up, kicking ass, taking names. All right. S&P gapping up, looking strong. Bitcoin dumping. Interesting. So Bitcoin coming back for all these late longs. Trying to bounce here. S&P opening up very bullishly. NVIDIA opening up bullishly. NASDAQ opening up bullishly. Okay, Bitcoin looking strong here. Can it continue to rip with the rest of the market? Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it, baby. Push it. Come on, Bitcoin. Stop being an nambe-pambe. Look at the NASDAQ, man. You got to catch up. You got work to do, Bitcoin. You got work to do. Can it keep going? No trade right now. Considering a long, but not yet. Not yet, Jon Snow. Look at this. NASDAQ, NVIDIA, S&P. To the moon, baby. Risk on environment. Let's go, Bitcoin. Push it. Put a 1 in the chat if you're still long. I am concerned to the downside, guys. I am concerned, but I mean, everything else looking hella bullish. Look at this thing. The NASDAQ all-time highs. The SPY. Is this all-time highs? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Price discovery, baby. Price discovery. Love this stuff. Nice push. Nice push. Remember, Bitcoin trades after hours. So this is after hours pumpage. We can see the NASDAQ catching up. We can see the rest of the market catching up to that pumpage. Okay, it doesn't mean we're going to go up here from now on Bitcoin. Let's just be patient here. Let's see what happens. We got 9:32. We got a whole bunch of you in the live stream hanging out here. 490 of you. We'll see if we do want to continue to push here, or if Bitcoin needs to correct, which we are prepared for as well. NASDAQ cooling down a bit. NVIDIA cooling down a bit. Okay, enticing buyers this morning. Interesting. Bitcoin kind of SFPing leading the way here. Can it push back? We'll have to wait and see. Not looking too hot for Bitcoin. Big topping tail coming into market open. A little bit of patience here. We'll see what we get. Thank you, everybody, for being here, hanging out. Bitcoin rolling over here. Nasty. Nasty dumpage. No trade here. Still waiting. Market open. Quite the doozy this morning. I would like to see us rotate down to 12.3. 112.300 here, but obviously a good battle going on here. NASDAQ continues to rip. SPY looking strong. NVIDIA pushing back. SFP now pushing back. We'll see. NASDAQ continues with its strength here, looking good. Big tail into our buy level here on Bitcoin. No trade yet. Still waiting. I like to push back here. So looks like we got strength here. I might take a stab. Just waiting on just waiting for a little bit more confirmation here. This thing looks like the concern is the SFP, right? That's our concern. So we want to see some sort of signal in here for us to justify getting long. Otherwise, we wait. Trading is waiting, baby. Trading is waiting. So we'll see what happens here. Two ugly tails here on this candles. We got a minute and a half left on this candle. If we can push back and engulf this, that would be gravy. I'd be long here if we can engulf this, but NAS looks strong. NVIDIA weak now. Okay. NVIDIA showing signs of weakness here after a big SFP of its high. Bitcoin still looking, yes, not looking great for Bitcoin. Looks like it could be coming down here. Come on, Bitcoin. Do your thing. Bitcoin looking dumpy. Humpty Dumpty. Oh, pushback. Let's go, Betty. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on, Bitcoin. Push. No pushback here. Looking weak. Coming back for late shorts. Looking for the SFP again. NASDAQ, rejection. NASDAQ rejection. See if we can hit this VWAP and pivot point. That would be great. Looking here. That would be cool. I'm down for that. I'm down for that. Choppy here. Considering a short here. It's the structure I don't like yet. Still waiting here. 9:36, everybody. Thank you for being here, hanging out. Hopefully we're all having a wonderful morning. Soul's on fire? Absolutely. Soul is cooking, man. Bitcoin pushing back right now. Nice pushback here for Bitcoin. Nice trigger wave here on the 3-minute. 12-minute wick test. Trigger wave to the downside. Bear div. Yeah, this is concerning. Still waiting here. Good push here for Bitcoin. Beautiful, beautiful push. Enticing buyers. Enticing buyers here. I still think we need to roll over down to here, but look at this candle, baby. This is a nice candle. It's a very nice candle. 10 seconds on this candle. Big candle energy. NASDAQ pushing back. SPY still down. NVIDIA still down. I like the bear div in here, considering a short. Pretty aggressive push here. NASDAQ keeps going, man. Bitcoin's failing to push, but still chopping. Still chopping. In my opinion, this looks bearish. What do you guys think? One or two? Long or short? I'm in indecision mode right now. Therefore, no trade. Right? No trade. Hands. Yeah, I'm in hands mode too, man. Hand solo. Just chop at the top, right? Chop at the top is not something I mess with. Had a great night last night, so I'm on hands. Good. Don't give it back, man. Don't give it back. NASDAQ toppy into resistance. Bitcoin rolling over. They're going to come down to our pivot level here. Oof. Coming back for late shorts. Very cheeky price action there, guys. Very cheeky. That's cheeky AF, man. No SFP, no nothing here. Looks dumpy. Looks dumpy. You can see the exhaustion coming in here, right? Clear exhaustion up at these highs. Like trying to push through, but volume's there, but no direction. Still looking here. They're really gonna give me this? This is what they're gonna give me. Because they gotta leave in 7 minutes. They're gonna give me this. Garbage. Rolling over here. Can we slap VWAP and go for last final hurrah? Hoorah! Can we get a hoorah? Ladies and gentlemen, price action is garbage. Orb is up. Orby-1 Kenobi. We got an Orby-1 Kenobi. Orb played out perfect yesterday. We had the orb bounce right off the low here. Oh, man. Rolling over, baby. As expected here. Coming for a sweep of the lows, bounce off VWAP, maybe. We'll see. Coming in, slapping the VWAP. Can it bounce? Long. Looking for the long. Volatile. Push Bitcoin. Beauty. Beauty bounce. Let's go. Let's go. Bounce, Bitcoin. Bounce. Push. Don't be a namby-pamby. Push. Push, Bitcoin. Is this not what you're here for? Ah. No follow through. Second try. No warm-ups. Gotta go. Taking a stab long. We'll see if we go. We'll see if we go. Push Bitcoin. Come on. Gotta go. Gotta go, Bitcoin. Come on. Come on. Get going. Get going. We don't want to see you here anymore. You're banned. Kicked out of the Discord. Too much namby-pambying. Too much degenerate namby-pambying. Come on, Bitcoin. Get bought up, baby. Come on. Okay, TP1 hit there. See if we can keep pushing. I'm gonna go stop loss to entry there. Not yet. Still waiting. Don't want to get stopped out too quick. Come on, Bitcoin, push. Push. You are a sly mofo. TP1 hit, up $50. Just chopping, guys. This is probably going to roll over. It's fine. $60 risk management. Break even trade. VWAP slap not working its magic this morning. That's okay. Break even trade, guys. $50. Let it be. Let it be. I mean, it's time for me to depart. Looking for the VWAP slap pivot point. We can still pop up here, guys. But topping pattern here. SFP of the high. This is typically bearish. Looking to recover back down to 112,300. Okay, we wanted to see a slap and go. It didn't really go. We'll see what materializes going forward here. Maybe it still wants to reclaim the range and go, but clearly not working out fully for me. I'm going to send you guys over to the Piper Academy now. Okay. I got to go and bring the car in. There's the $50 break-even trade here. Always showing this stuff. Always helping you guys navigate these charts. Thank you guys for being here. Subscribing if you're new. God bless every single one of you guys. Have a wonderful day. Trade safe. Much love. It's probably going to go now. But hopefully you guys make lots of money today. Have a wonderful day. And go and throw some otters in the chat for the Piper Academy. All right? God bless you guys. Take care. I will see you guys in the Discord later on. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when it